It won't hit you, it'll clear you.
That was lucky. That was lucky. Billy, she's going on the ramp. Okay, okay. Words hurt.
Wow. Is that a break?
Savage!
Savage. And that is impressive.
It crapped it out though, didn't it? Yeah, I've not seen that. I've never seen anyone do that, I don't think.
It's the
Savage. How did he not shoot you? What was that? Whoa! Oh my!
I'm gonna break it. Maybe not to strike first then.
Still one of my favourite looking cars.
You did that last video.
I did. That was smooth. That was smooth. Yeah, it's good. Ooh. Flappy, slappy. That was cool. That was lucky. That was lucky. Smooth. It'd be nice to send this one. Send this one out. Billy, she's going on the ramp. Do it, go on.
It won't hit you, it'll clear you.
Nailed! Absolutely nailed, well done. It's such a slappy car, isn't it? I love it. It's coming, Saf. Those back wheels. That's smooth. Nice. We've got footage of me driving it. Yeah. Yeah, I've driven this loads. Yeah, I'm terrible with this. No, but what I'm saying is, we've got footage of me driving it.
Why are you bullying me?
Okay, okay. Words hurt.
We got Savage on it again.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Ooh.
Not nice.
Go on, send it.
Go, send.
Wait.
Oh, it's going to be the third time.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh!
Oh, nailed, Sav, nailed. Nailed. So what do you reckon to this one then, Sav?
Yeah, this was alright.
Out of the three, which one's your favourite? You're really struggling with your left and right, aren't you? Nailed! Well done!
That was perfect.
Wow! Is that a brake? That wheel was a little bit wobbly.
Shouldn't be, they do move around.
Oh.
Looks like. Loving them shots.
We all good?
Yeah.
All good.
I thought that was a brake. I'm impressed. Oh no, that's a brake.
That's a brake, isn't it?
Throttle it in the air.
To be fair, Sav, I thought you were nailing that.
I did. I thought it was a double backflip, done and dusted. That's motor mount again, mate.
You could not be more wrong. You could try, but you would not be successful.
That bit behind you, Dad, whatever that is.
Oh!
Wow, she blew up a motor. Oh my god.
Savage!
That, yeah, you deserve that jumper.
I thought it was just a motor mount.
It's not the mount, no.
No.
Ooh.
Boom! The motor.
Damn, Daniel. Gave us an extension of the motor. Come have a look. Come have a look what you've done.
It's a 700ml can now. That is supposed to have stopped up here.
Oh dear.
And it's kind of pooped its way out. There's the back of it.
Oh dear.
So
Is that a good brake then?
it's an expensive brake.
I'm gonna say that's
look,
savage.
look, snapped,
Oh.
snapped. Yeah, that's savage.
Savage.
ARRMA tough though.
Yeah, fair play.
The actual car itself looks
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
It's just the motor didn't want to play anymore.
No.
And that is impressive.
It crapped it out though, didn't it? Big style. I've not seen that happen before.
First for everything.
Savage.
Da 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 da. It's the da 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 da.
Oh wow. Yeah, I've not seen that. I've never seen anyone do that, I don't think. Yeah.